Good morning children. Today we will see how to balance chemical equation. There are two different methods I have used. Use that method which one suit you. In textbook method 1 has explained and another method today I will tell you. First method, before when you are balancing chemical equation, just keep in mind you can change here, here or here only. And these places are called coefficient space. So only we can change coefficient, not subscript. Subscript means here 3 or 3, 2, 2. That value are known as subscript. We cannot change subscript. We have to change only coefficient. And second thing, when you are balancing chemical equation, first balance metal, after that non-metal, then oxygen, and after that hydrogen. So first of all, in same manner, which you want to explain in textbook, write down the name of all element: sodium, nitrogen, oxygen and lead, Pb. Write here left hand side and here right hand side. So what you have to do? Very simple, just count number of atom. Sodium, you can see here only one atom is there, and this side 2 atom. So write down right side 2, left side 1. Check nitrogen, 1 nitrogen, right here 1. One more thing, outside bracket 2 is written here. It means that 2 belongs to nitrogen as well as 2 belongs to oxygen. But here 3 belongs to only oxygen. So nitrogen, 3 into 2, 2 nitrogen. So write here 2 nitrogen. Now we'll see oxygen. Here 3 oxygen and here 1 oxygen, means total 4. So write down 3 plus 1. 3 oxygen and 1 oxygen. 4 oxygen. Check this side, 3 oxygen and product 2, means 3 2s are 6 oxygen. So write here 6 oxygen plus 1 more oxygen is there. Write down 1. Now check 1 sodium atom, right side 2 sodium atom, left side 1 nitrogen, right side 2 nitrogen, and here 3 plus 1 4 oxygen and 6 plus 1 7 oxygen. Now lead 1, so write here 1, this side 1, so write here 1. So what you will do first? First check metal. Here is 1 sodium and this side 2 sodium, so what you will do? Multiply by 2 in left side. Now see, only 2 sodium and 2 sodium. Here is sodium, so you have to multiply by 2 here. When you are multiplying by 2 in sodium, at the same time 2 is multiplied to nitrogen as well as oxygen. Just keep in mind, take example, I have written here H2O. If multiply by 3, it means that 3 belongs to oxygen, hydrogen, as well as 3 belongs to oxygen. So here when you multiply by 2, it means that 2 is multiplied to nitrogen as well as 2 is multiplied to oxygen. So where is nitrogen? Here, multiply by 2. And oxygen, 3 oxygen multiply by 2, so multiply by 2 here only, because plus 1 here. Okay. After that, now sodium is balanced both sides, 2 sodium, 2 sodium. So now we will check next element. Pb is already balanced, so no problem. Now move to the oxygen. Here, so nitrogen, 2 ones are 2 and 2. Nitrogen is balanced now. We will check oxygen. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. So your equation is balanced. Now check again, cross checking. 2 sodium, here 2 sodium. 1 lead, 1 lead. 2 3s are 6 oxygen plus 1, 7 oxygen. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 oxygen. 1 2s are 2 nitrogen and 1 2s are 2 nitrogen. So your equation is balanced now. Now we'll see second method. Okay, now we'll see second method. It's a very easy method, that is called mathematical method. How can you do? Put here A, put here B, put here C and here D. See clearly, it's a very easy and very good method for you. Okay, so what you have to do? Carbon, write here carbon. Hydrogen, write here hydrogen. Oxygen, write here oxygen. So carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, only 3 elements. So what you will do now, just see clearly, carefully as well. Total 8 atom of carbon. So write here 8A, equal sign. This side 1 carbon, and I have written here C. So you have to write 1C. Again, after that hydrogen, 18 hydrogen is here. So 18A. This side 2 hydrogen, so 2D equal to 2D. Now oxygen, 2 oxygen, so 2 multiplied by B, 2B. And here 2 oxygen, so 2C plus 1 oxygen, so 1D. Yeah, write down only D. Okay. After that, what you will do? Now I am repeating again. First, write here A, B, C, and D at coefficient place. After that, just check that if 8 carbon, so 8A, 18 hydrogen, so 18A hydrogen. 2 oxygen, so 2B oxygen. 1 carbon, so 1C carbon. 2 oxygen, so 2C oxygen. 2 hydrogen, so 2D hydrogen. 1 oxygen, so 1D oxygen. Okay. So now see what we will do one by one. A, B, C, D. Take any one, let equal to 1. Let A is equal to 1. You can take B or C as, and D as well. Take A is equal to 1. Now put, when you will put here A is equal to 1, so 8 into 1 equal to 1C means C. So you will get C is equal to 8. When you will take A is equal to 1, you will get C is equal to 8. Now back to here. A is equal to 1. So 18 into A means 18 equal to 2D. Now to divide, so D is equal to 18 by 2 means 9. D is 9. Last 2B is equal to C is 8. So 2 into 8 plus D is 9 plus 9. To 2 8 is 16 plus 9, 25. 2B is equal to 25. Now divide by 2. So B is equal to 25 by 2. After that, what you have to do? Got it? A is equal to 1, C is equal to 8, B is equal to 25 by 2, and D is equal to 9. After that, what you will do? Just put this value at the coefficient place. A is equal to 1. So write here 1, or don't write anything. Right here 1, no problem. C is equal to 8. Where is C? Here. Put here 8. D is equal to 9. Where is D? Here. Put 9. B is equal to 25 by 2. So write here 25 by 2. After that, what you will do? Denominator is 2. So one thing you can do, multiply by 2 in all equation. So multiply by 2. So after that, when you will multiply by 2, here 2 will come. Here when you will multiply by 2 here, means 2 multiply by 25 by 2 cancel. So only 25 will be there. When you will multiply here 2 8 ja 16. And here multiply by 2, 9 2 ja 18. So now you can check here your equation is balanced. It's a very good method. When you will try, definitely you will succeed. Check again. 8 2 ja 16 carbon. This side 16 carbon. Hydrogen 8 2 ja 18 2 ja 36 hydrogen. Here 18 2 ja 36 hydrogen. Oxygen 25 to the 50 oxygen. This side 16 to the 32 and 80 50. So equation is balanced. Method 2 is very accurate method. You will not be confused. I am repeating again. Just take A, B, C and D. After that check 8C. So 8A number of atom, that 18A, 2B, 1C, 2C, 2D, 1D, and after that in mathematical method, by using mathematical method you can balance. Okay, thank you. If you have any confusion, again I will make one more video. Thank you. धन्यवाद.